Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of November, it is the Saffron Suva Beauty Palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below that talks about how to enter for that one. I also have other giveaways going on as well. All of the information will be in the description box down below. So today we are unboxing the Birchbox for November. If you've been around my channel for a while, you know that I've gone like this with Birchbox. So let's see what we got for the month of November. It has a little card on it. I love this because on the card it says, you know, instead of just making a regular holiday list, it makes you think about a name and then put a memory to make together. Like it gives examples, you know, Katrina going ice skating, or mom baking grandma's gingerbread cookies, things that you can do. To me, that is so much more important. I love sharing experiences versus actually just getting things. To me, it's all about the memories. Maybe it's because I have a kid who's a senior in high school and he's gonna be gone soon. Anyway, and then on this side it talks about the items in the box. So here is a product by Doucce Luscious Lip Stain Holiday Getaway. Full size retails for $28. This peach matte lip stain dries fast, it lasts all day, but doesn't make your lips feel uncomfortable. I can't do peach colors, guys. It makes me look like I am dead. And so I have to have like cool tone makeup, otherwise it doesn't look good. So I am going to be putting this one in an upcoming giveaway. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 600 subscribers, so help us get there. So this is says it's the first time that they have put this in here. This is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. Full size retails for $85. I do have the full size of this. I think I got it in a test tube by New Beauty. I'm still waiting on my test tube. It's like middle of November, I still haven't gotten it. Anyway, so it's a retinoid, a vitamin A derivative. It's a key to silky serum that fights signs of aging and improves the look of congested and UV damaged skin. Use pat into skin after cleansing. Start with 2 nights or 2 nights and then 2 nights off. Work to every night. Retinoids and retinols should be avoided while pregnant or breastfeeding. I love this, you guys. I use it every night. Love, love, love this. Here's a full-size product. It is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Have tried it. I do really like it. Full-size retails for $26, and this mascara doesn't just volumize, lengthen, and fan out lashes. A combo of peach and leaf extract and castor seed oil also condition and actually strengthen them. You guys, I really, really like this one. Here's another product that I do have, and it's the first time that they have it. It is the Acure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. Full size retails for $12.99. And did you know your skin best repairs itself while you're sleeping? Give a healthy skin an extra nudge with this lightweight nighttime oil, which reduces redness, irritation, and inflammation. Use roll on your face, neck, and chest in place of your night cream. Like I said, I do have it. I use it about every other night, and I'm about halfway through the one that I have, so I'm glad to get another one. So here is one of their best sellers. It is the Davines Love Smoothing Shampoo. So here's your shampoo. And it has a little foil packet for your conditioner. Full size range from $29 to $33. Enriched with olive extract, fatty acids, and vitamin E. This duo smooths frizz and tangle prone hair so your hair is shinier than ever. Yes, sign me up. This sounds good. I'm actually going on a trip tomorrow to go look at a couple of colleges for my son. So this will be fun and quick and easy to throw in the suitcase. Lastly is a Juliette has a gum, not a perfume, it a perfume. This allergen-free minimalist scent has a single note, elegant, spicy Kettlux, which is a finishing touch. I already have one of these, so I'm going to be throwing this one in that giveaway too. So I like that there were some full-size products in it. It sounds like Birchbox is trying to step up their game. I do really like the Sunday Riley. Yes, yes, please. And this lip stain is great. It's just not my color. I wish it was more like a berry color or something like that. So what were your guys' favorite products? If you get Birchbox, did you get something else in your box? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.